Sheljabai, is Shekhar still sleeping?
Oh, Shraddha, you know his habits. See the time, it's almost noon now. He said he has a meeting today.
Let us keep faith in God. Everything will be fine someday. I'll see. Wake up, Shekhar. You have a meeting. Shekhar, wake up.
Oh no, let me sleep.
Wake up. It's 11:15 now. You have a meeting today.
Meeting? Oh, that old man is a big fool. He pays the amount very late.
See, it's not good to have a passion of pets. You should concentrate more on your job.
Don't try to teach me. You do your own work. I know what is good for me. And by the way, today evening I'm going to meet Khanna in race course. It's a good day for me to put him down. I know that if we lose in the race on Sunday, I will bet 2 lakhs against him in front of everyone. He's overconfident, but I know he will lose.
What? 2 lakh? In case he wins, then you will have to pay that amount?
Shut up! Never till today have I lost any bet. And as you know, I love money more than anything else. I have earned so much because of these bets. And today again I will win. I can do anything and everything for money.
What? Is money everything?
I love money and will take all of it to heaven with me. Nothing else is important. For me, everything is money.
So much greed? It's not good for you, Shekhar.
Come on, Shraddha. Now go and tell that idiot to prepare breakfast for me.
Oh God, what a problem am I in? I cannot understand what to do now. Should I go to him or not? I can't decide. Think I have to go.
What all should I prepare for food?
Boil the rice and cut paneer into small pieces.
Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I've decided to go.
Where?
Yes, you get all the things ready. Going till Mr. Kapoor's house.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Give an answer to this.
Here is it.
And for this?
No answer for this one.
No answer. So, Mr. Advocate, you have lost the chance.
This chance is gone from my hands. But brother, the game has not yet ended.
Hello. How are you?
Hello,
Where is uncle?
inside.
Namaste, uncle.
Oh, Shraddha, you. How are you? Come, come, come. Sit down.
Sorry to disturb you, uncle.
No, no, not at all. No problem. Thing is that the two of us are self-disturbed these days. How come all of a sudden?
Actually, I had to tell you something important.
Sure, girl. Tell me without any hesitation. You are like my daughter.
Actually, uncle,
He? Don't feel shy from him. He is like an elder brother to me. I love him and share everything with him.
Say whatever you want to say. No formalities with me.
now what to hide from you? Uncle, you already know about the grubby habits of my husband. Even his parents have no control over him. And he's never ready to listen to me.
I have understood your difficulty. I have known this from long time. So, what to do now?
Teach him a lesson that he remembers.
I know that Shekhar cannot live without the greed for money. He wants more. He loves money more than his family. There's nothing wrong to incline towards a high society lifestyle. But the approach which he follows is not acceptable at all. Setting bets for money is immoral.
Yes. You're right, uncle.
Other day, he betted with Bablu, the son of owner of Gupta Industry. The bet was to drink 10 pegs of vodka.
Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Then what happened?
As was expected, Bablu was done in 4 or 5 pegs and Shekhar then swallowed his quota. This way he won 50,000 rupees. This man can do anything for money.
Oh,
He can even bet on his life or his family.
life is a precious gift of God. But life is what you make it. There are so many people who don't know how beautiful life is. Someone is crazy for money. Someone is crazy for fame. But the point is, nothing can make you happy if your family and you yourself are not satisfied.
Uncle, please help me.
Yes. Now I will have to take proper case of your husband. Mr. Advocate, help her.
Yes, I will try. I have an idea.
Really? Then why don't you help her now itself? Listen, girl. Now you follow the instructions of Advocate Uncle. And whenever my help is required, feel free to say. Just give me a call. So, what is the plan?
Shraddha, do as I say. Tomorrow come to my home with your husband.
But what will I tell him?
Not a problem. He is an expert bettor. Tell him that Advocate wants to bet some high amount. Bribe him to his home. He will come for money.
Okay, uncle, as you say. Uncle, then tomorrow I will come to your house.
Yes, come tomorrow.
Please tell me your address.
Oh, who does not know his address? Huh?
Where is Shraddha?
Baby has gone to uncle's house.
This time?
Welcome, Shraddha. Come in, Mr. Shekhar. Even you are welcomed. Come, please sit. What will you have? Something cold or hot? Or something injurious?
Oh, nothing, uncle. Not today, as I have to go.
Where do you want to go now?
I told you, your memory is weak. I have a meeting today in the club with Mr. Singh.
Hey, Shekhar. You keep meeting big kings like Mr. Singh every day. Take some time out, even for me, dude.
Oh, uncle, you have all my time in the world. But uncle, today it's not possible because I have a meeting in the club with Mr. Singh. There I'm going to bet for around 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs? Is that all? Dude, I'm also a big gambler who loves to win every time he bets, but hates to lose.
Oh, that's good, uncle. But the reality is that the biggest bet is sitting in front of you. I have never lost any bet and will never lose in the future.
Dude, this overconfidence is not appropriate. Consider it all over again.
Sensed victory again.
Small bets are not the ones that interest me.
Uncle, so bet high.
Full 15 lakh rupees.
15 lakhs rupees? So please tell me quickly, uncle, what I have to do. For 15 lakhs, I can do anything. Can't I, Shraddha?
That's good. For 2 months, you have to stay inside one room. You will not be allowed to meet anyone from outside. You cannot remove the curtains off. Stay in. Food will be provided through the door by your wife, but you should not even see her. After 2 months, if you win, you will get 15 lakhs.
That's it. 2 months will pass in a wink of time. It is too easy, isn't it so?
Then done.
Done. This is my condition after 2 days. How will I spend 2 months? I think I'll get mad. Please let me free. Let me free or I'll get it mad. I'll get mad. I'll get mad. Get mad. Oof. Let me free. Oh, I cannot brush for an hour. I'm not used to take bath for 2 hours. I cannot live without my friends' gossips. I love my wife, but can't see her. Oh, I am trapped here. Please let me free. Let me free. What an insane bet I've made. Oh, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Let me free.
Sheljabai, what are you thinking about?
I have served him from his childhood. I don't know what his condition will be now. I am worried.
Sheljabai, this was necessary to cure Shekhar's habits.
I get deeply troubled just by imagining his condition. God only knows what will happen.
So, Mr. Advocate, see you have already betted with a champion. Today is the 6th night. What if he stays in for 2 months? In case he does, you will have to pay him 15 lakhs. Are you ready for that?
So what?
But still, if he can manage to survive...
Mr. Kapoor, he has to lose one day. Betting is a dangerous addiction. And I am sure he will realize this within 2 months.
But still, if he can manage to survive...
Then I think I will.
Oh, what is wrong with me? What is happening to me? I had to come out before. What a torture! I should not have betted like this. It is terrible. What is wrong with me? My body is trembling. I want a cigarette. I want a cigarette. Where are you, Shraddha? Come here.
Hello. Hello, advocate uncle. Uncle, please come fast. Shekhar is out. He's shouting. Please, uncle, please come fast. Shekhar, what happened?
Shraddha.
Shekhar,
Shraddha, save me, Shraddha.
Shekhar,
Shraddha.
Shekhar.
I don't know what is happening to me. Please.
What happened?
Uncle, look at his condition. Something is wrong.
What is wrong with you? Have you gone mad?
I've become crazy. I can't take this anymore. I want to be free.
You lost the bet, you loser. Your 15 lakhs have just gone away from you.
Uncle, I don't want to win any bet now. I don't want to play any bet. I don't want money. Uncle, you take 15 lakhs from me and free me from this torment, please.
But you said you never lose any bet. Money is your god. You can do everything for money.
I don't want money, Uncle. I'm sorry. Uncle, it is the biggest mistake of my life. I will never bet again for money, Uncle.
But how will you survive in this world without money?
Uncle, I'll work to earn money, Uncle. I will not bet henceforth. I want the love of my people. I want a happy life. I want my Shraddha. I love you, Shraddha.
You will have to quit betting to get Shraddha and a blissful life.
Sure, Uncle. I'll quit betting. Betting is not the ladder to being rich. I've realized my mistake. I will leave everything for my family and my darling wife. I've understood the fact that money is not the only thing in life. I will never stoop so low to get easy money. I'll work hard to get money, Uncle. I love you, Shraddha. I love you.
I love you too, Shekhar.